Welcome to Van's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या cooking channelaचेर आणि गोंया इतली गोरमी आसा. It's so hot in Goa. So today I said I have to do this lime soda, or we always have it in Mapsa or any soft drink places or juice places. So today I will show you all a Goan style lime soda. Okay, so it is sweet. Either if you all are having sweet, then sweet or salt, or without anything. But I prefer to have sweet and salt. So first thing, I will take this sugar. How much you want sweetness? So I am taking 2 of this tablespoon, and then we will squeeze our lime into this. Now I'm taking for such a big glass 1.5 of lime, and I'm taking the juice out of it. So whenever we go Mapsa market or anyway, first thing we prefer this lime soda. And even when I go or we go to any restaurant, me and my husband and our daughter, we go, then first thing we prefer this lime soda, which freshen up your mind and it cools your body. So now I will add a pinch of salt to this, and you have to stir this till the sugar gets dissolved. You can add sugar syrup too. गोंया इतली गोरमी जाल्या, वयस गोरमी चावल्या म्हणटा आमी. ही सोसूंक जायना तितली गोरमी आसा आमच्या गोंया आतां. आनी ह्यो जावन आसा फकत एप्रिलाचो म्हयनो. मायाच्या म्हयन्यान खबर ना कितें जातलें तें. आनी हे बेस्ट घरान आपले लायम सोडा करपाचें आनी पिवपाचें आनी एन्जॉय करपाचें. सो हे डिजॉल्व जावंसर मातशें करा. आनी आमचें सोडा जायी, जितली तुमकां जाय तितली सोडा. सो हांवें किनली घेतल्या आनी ही घेवन आतां टक 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 लायक म्हापसा तें पयलां आसतलें. This sound has to come. ह्यो आवाज एक्चुअली बरो लागता. And our lime soda is ready to serve. And just garnish this whichever way you want. So garnish it with this and enjoy. Hope you all will enjoy this homemade lime soda and just freshen up. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलो करून तुमी लायम सोडा घरा पियात. थँक यू. देव बरें करूं.